In this video, the options in Trading Conceiver are described. In order to open the Options window, in the main window of Trading Conceiver, select the menu Tools Options. In the Numbers tab, you can select the language for formatting numbers. Throughout Trading Conceiver, numbers will be formatted according to this selection. As an example, let's consider the number 1001/10. In English for the United States, it will be formatted like this, using the comma as thousand separator and a dot as decimal separator. In French for France, it will be used as space as thousand separator and the comma as decimal separator. In Germany, they would use a dot for thousand separator and a comma for decimal separator. By default, English for the United States is selected, and as you can see, for instance, in the table, statistics and charts windows, a comma is used as thousand separator, and the dot is used as decimal separator. Now let's change it, for instance, to French for France, and press the OK button. Currently, in order to make this choice effective for all the application, you need to close and restart the application. If we run the simulation again, you can see that now for the thousand separator, a space is used, while a comma is used as decimal separator. For the Historical File tab, see the dedicated chapter in the Historical Data section of the manual. The file extension is the part of the name of the file coming after the last dot. Extensions are useful to detect file types. When saving a file with Trading Conceiver, a file extension will be added automatically to the name of the file and will be used to filter out the file list when loading a file. Here you can customize the extensions used by Trading Conceiver. We suggest to use extensions name of 4 letters or more. If you use a 3-letter extension, it's likely it will collide with an already defined one. If you don't want to use extensions, leave the text field blank. The Historical File text field is the extension used when saving and loading a configuration of the historical file. The Indicators text field is the extension used when saving and loading a configuration of the Indicators tab. The Composer text field is the extension used when saving and loading a configuration of the Composer tab. Tooltips are contextual description, popping up when the mouse hovers over a certain area. The initial delay is the number of milliseconds to delay after the cursor has paused before displaying the tooltip. The dismiss delay is the number of milliseconds to delay before taking away the tooltip. The OK button applies the changes you edited and closes the window. The Apply button applies the changes you edited. The Reset to Default button resets all control to their default value. The Cancel button closes the window without applying the changes.